Guys, what's up? Welcome back on the Gaming Dude for another video. Today in this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make an awesome 2D intro on Android which looks something like this. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So all of the viewers watching, first of all open this app, that's Pixel Lab, and then click on the A button on the bottom and then click on edit text and just type in the first letter of the name of your channel. Then click on the font button, click on my fonts, and the font that I'm going to be using for this video is Kenyan Coffee RG. So the link of the font will be down in the description. So I'm gonna be there in just a minute. So here's the font that I was looking for. Just click on the OK button, increase the size of the text, and click on the tick mark once you're satisfied. Now make the background transparent and save this image as a PNG into your gallery. Now do the same with all the letters of the name of your channel. So now I'm going to be typing in capital A, click on OK, and then again save it as a PNG into your gallery. So now I'm going to be doing that with all of the others. Now for the intro part, open this app, that's KineMaster. The download link will be down in the description. And now click on the plus button, click on empty project, and now click on the media browser option and choose the background as white. Click on the tick mark and then do as I do. Click on the layer option, click on media and choose the background black. And increase the size of the rectangle and rotate it, and then again increase the size of the rectangle so it fits in kind of like a diagonal way. And after you've done that, click on the option that's go to the image kind of option which has a mountain kind of thing, and click on the key option and then click on plus for the animation and drag the black rectangle out of the screen. Now do the same in the other direction too, as I'm gonna be doing now. So after you have done the animation, it should look somewhat like how I did right now. And then click on media and add all of the text that we edited in the Pixel Lab. So now I'm just gonna be doing that, and after I do all the letters in this, it is gonna be a real speed art. So it's kind of just a see and learn. So just watch ahead until the end. So just to give you kind of a clue on what you have to do, I'm just gonna be editing some of the text right now. So first of all, what you're gonna do is bring in the text as I did with the G, and then go ahead, decrease the length of the text, and also decrease the size, and then choose the in animation as the pop and choose the scale as 0.5. Do the same scale for the out animation as with scale down. So I'm gonna be showing you that with the A right now. So just go ahead. Also, you for making it black, just decrease the color filter option in there for the out animation. Choose scale down and choose the scale as 0.5 and click on the tick button. Now this was the clue that I've given you guys. Now ahead is gonna be a speed art, so just do the same to all the letters and you are gonna get the intro ready. And by ready, what I mean is you're gonna get all the letters ready for the animation. So watch until the end so you know how to do the intro. So now once you're done editing the text, what you're gonna do is add a layer of a white small rectangle and place it at the edge of the screen. Now scroll down for the options and click on the alpha or the opacity and make it about a 60%. So once you have done that, click on the tick button or just go back and then click on the key option there and click on plus and drag it through all of the text and then click on the tick button, and then your intro is gonna look somewhat like this. After you've done this, add the layer of the add a gray layer and reduce the opacity to about 14 or 15% and then rotate it in a diagonal way, and then just what you're gonna do is add your logo in the center. So I'm gonna be doing that in just a minute, but for once just go ahead. For the gray layer, just choose the in animation as pop and the out animation as fade and choose the scale as 0.5, and then you're ready to go with the logo. So for that, click on layer, click on media and choose a logo, a little logo if you have one, and place it in the right center. Then choose the in animation as pop and the scale again as 0.5, out animation as scale down and the scale as 0.5. Then reduce the length of the G as per your choice. So I'm gonna be doing that until the D. So once it's going away, it goes in a line, and then your intro is gonna look something like this. So for the end of the intro, so the way you close it up, just add a black layer and bring it onto the edge, just onto the edge, and then go ahead near the mountain thing, and then again what you did is click on the key button. So I'm gonna be doing that right now. Yeah, so place it on the top, click on the key button, click on the plus, and then drag the thing downwards and click on the tick mark once you're satisfied. Do the same with the other side as I'm doing right now. There you go guys, we have a brilliant intro in front of us. It looks great right now. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed the intro tutorial. Make sure to leave us a like and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this one. See you guys in the next video.